friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Jimmy Ann's channel. Today's video is about 5 things I learned about my natural hair. As you can tell, my natural hair is on its natural state. The only thing I had on it when I washed it yesterday was the oil. I left it, I did not stretch it. Normally I like my hair to be stretched because that's what my hair love. Because I know I'm going to do this video, I want you to truly see my hair when I did not do anything to it. This is a second day shrinkage. All I did when I woke up, I just kind of like pull it out like so, and this is it. Number one thing that I learned about my hair is my hair does not fit in whatever I think I want my hair to do. This used to happen to me a long time ago. If I'm watching somebody on YouTube and I use the same product they use and I do everything they do, most of the time would not do the same. In the beginning of this hair journey, I started watching YouTube video and I was thinking, oh, my hair look like that, and my hair, I want my hair to look like that. That's how I want my hair to look like. But guess what? That was struggle for the first 2 years because I was buying all this hair product. I was doing everything that these ladies out here were doing, and my hair said, no, that's not me, and I'm not gonna do that. I don't know what you're thinking. So I would get this off the wall, bounce off the wall kind of thing. So eventually I figured it out that my hair does not fit into any category. It does fit into 4C though, but really not true 4C, because depending on what part of my hair you are, they're not the same. My middle head is more dense, while my back hair is more loose. My front is more drier and it really doesn't retain water that much. My middle hair, my back hair, my side hair retain water, but my front hair doesn't. Which I later learned that because of that, I cannot be using too much gel on my hair. If I use gel, lay my hair or snatch my edge, if I continue to do that for like 2 weeks in a row, I would lose all my edges here. So I don't even deal with it again. If it's neat, I'm good to go. Make sure every morning, no matter what kind of hairstyle I have, I put water in it and use my oil or my butter. Number 2 things that I learned about my hair is my hair does not fall into high porosity or low porosity. For a few years, I tried to battle between these two. Which one is my hair? I did all the testing. It just doesn't work for my hair because it depends on what part of the head I pull that hair from. But majority of the hair in my head though, I figured out it's like in between. It doesn't lose moisture as fast, but it will eventually lose moisture. I can apply product in it depending on how much I apply the product. If it's too much, it's just going to stay on top of it. It depends on what type of product I put my hair that it will stay on top of it, or what type of hair that it will penetrate on my hair. Over the years, I get to figure out what works for my hair, and I just go with that. My hair loves moisture, and I make sure I give it to it. When I put moisture in my hair, like water, I seal my hair with butter or oil, and I'm good to go. Number 3 things that I learned about my hair. I learned that my hair is different from everybody's hair. So let's say my hair is 4C hair. Let's say my hair is true 4C hair, and I have another 4C hair person. Our hair would not be the same. One, even though we might have the same characteristics, the fact that I eat something different than this person, I drink less water or I drink more water, all the hormone in my body kind of contribute to what my hair is going to be at a certain time. And because our hair change, we're in different period of the time, depending on how old I am, how younger I am compared to the other person. So I learned not to compare my hair with anybody. This one goes with the first one that I said. My hair is not the same with anybody. So I learned to take care of my hair, or to learn my hair every time based on what is changing. Number 4 things that I learned about my hair. My hair does not like too many products. I don't know what it is, and I'm pretty sure maybe some of you can relate to this. If I am using different products at the same time, I normally will find my hair getting too dry, losing my hair strands. Like the next time I will wash my hair, I will have this bunch of hair out of my head. So I don't know why this is happening, but whenever I keep my hair products simple, whenever I do not pile product on top of each other. Like if I'm doing twist out, you will see me just use oil, and if I need to use cream or butter, that's what I will use, and it will come out the same way regardless anyway if I get like all these 3 layers products to have it twist out. I learned over time that I don't need to do all that, and I get to save money. The 5th things that I learned about my hair goes hand in hand with the 4th things that I learned about my hair. My hair does not favor over-the-counter product. I figured that out a couple years ago when I started trying so many products. I got into this mode where I'm looking for something in the store to make my hair easy to handle. My hair did not like that. I started having like a single knot. I started having my hair getting drier, and it's becoming so hard to manage. So I figured out, you know what, I am gonna be trying something new. And if you can remember, I started the journey on no chemical for 6 months, and I tell you, it's a change that you cannot tell from the camera. I can feel it. I can feel it because now my hair doesn't experience single strand knots no more. Why? Because I am really being less complicated with product that I use. Majority of the product that I use now, I'll buy the ingredients and I will make it. And hopefully I'm going to continue to share what I'm finding out with all my DIY. If it works for you, you can try it. But for me, at my journey right now, I am just going to stick with that. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. Let me know if you like this kind of video. There is few of this video that's going to be coming up for the next few weeks because I just feel like I need to tell you about my hair since you're here. Sometimes you watch me and you only see a little bit of it, and most of my hair story you cannot really capture it with once a week, once every 2 weeks. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for being here, and thank you for all my friends that is here. If you're just finding my channel for the first time, please join the family and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and check my other videos out to see if it's something that you like. If it's something that you like, if you want to request for a video, please leave it on a comment below. I will definitely get to it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.